name is Antti, and I'm an engineer.
And I'm Tommy, I'm a designer, and we're the founders of Yepli.
You might remember Yepli from last year's investor campaign. The campaign and the following expansion project were a success, and now we're ready to expand.
Let's talk about cycling. We believe that cycling is the most enjoyable way to get around. It keeps you on the ground and it's good for your health. It's good for the air you breathe and can save the whole damn planet. We think cycling is for everyone. But there's a slight problem. Maintaining your bike can be a pain in the ass. And why?
The bike shop might be far away. It might not be open when you need it. The queues could be long and the service might be lousy. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, there are millions of people like you. Together, you create a market that's over 150 billion euros.
We founded Yepli to solve this problem. Our mission is to make the bike service easy, fast and fun. We bring the bike shop to you. During the daytime, we come to your office, and in the evening, we come to your neighborhood, just like the classical ice cream van.
After 4 years of relentless development, our concept is ready to be scaled. Our own unique digital platform is ready to be scaled. We have operations in Helsinki, Finland and Hamburg, Germany. Our franchise business model is piloted. And best of all, we have a proven customer demand and satisfaction with over 11,000 bikes served.
So we're ready to start spreading the Yepli vans and multiplying our revenues. Our aim is bold, to revolutionize the whole bicycle service industry and be the biggest and best at what we do.
Why should you invest in Yepli? We have a concept that's ready to be scaled. There's a big global market that's growing with megatrends. And hey, what's best? This is sustainable business. It's making the world a better place for us and our children.
Join the bicycle service revolution with us.
Yeah, everybody, come on! Eikö toi tuli semmoinen? Mä kirjoitin sen pienen printin, että näin.